Welcome to Smiley's Hair Clinic. We're a full-service hair salon that offers men's grooming services as well as non-surgical hair replacement. I'm Smiley, a certified hair replacement specialist, and today I'm going to show you how to do hair replacement on a woman who suffered from telogen effluvium, which is hair loss due to chemotherapy.
Hi, my name is Cheryl. Like I said, I came to Smiley by a coworker, but that was only after 10 years of dealing with lace front wigs that were ill-equipped for my head. My head is rather small, and through Smiley, I've been able to regain my confidence in hair, and without sounding like an infomercial, but that's really what it's done. I first experienced hair loss due to breast cancer. I'm a 10-year breast cancer survivor, but the chemo that they used on me did not allow my hair to grow back in full. So that was just really devastating. And since I've been with Smiley, the way my hair feels and the way she cuts it and color it, and she cares for it and helped me to care for it, is just phenomenal. I don't have to worry about the wind taking my hair, getting too hot, overheated, and exercising, wigs falling off. It can be really embarrassing. So that's just one of those things. And I'm telling you, I love it. If you don't know what she's done, you just have to come and experience it. And again, I'm not trying to sound like an infomercial. This is real life. This is the results of someone going through cancer. And since I've gone through it and my hair didn't come back, it's just a wonderful way to have a replacement and be confident in it. But get to Smiley as soon as you can. I did. With my hair, with a wig, when you get home, you take it off and you either throw it to the side, depending on how old it is, or place it on a headstand. But with this hair, so like if I get tired of just wearing it like this, I can just take it and put it in a scrunchie just to get it out of my face while I'm cooking. I exercise, so I can just tie it back, and I don't have to worry about it slipping off. I don't have to worry about will anybody notice that this is not my hair, because this is my hair. This is done, it's a custom fit for me. Your head is measured, and no, you cannot get this off the shelf of a wig supply store. You can only get this from Smiley's Hair Clinic, and I love it. Sometimes if I don't feel like coming into the salon, I wash and condition my hair just like you normally would. I wrap it. You know how we just wrap our hair, put the mousse and styling gel, but she has a wonderful line of products called Basics, and I purchased those Basics products from her to help care for my hair. But because I haven't had hair in a while, my care for it at the end of the day, I just do large pin curls, pin it down and tie it down like I would my own hair, because again, it is in my hair. And when I take the pins out, this is the results. In between of caring for my hair, I know one of the questions that you may ask, how long will this last? This will last me 6 months to a year. This is my first custom one, but she's so awesome. She was able to put me something together until my hair came in 6 weeks ago. One of the ways that by caring for your hair, you will help it to last and maintain longer. So it depends on how you groom your hair and everything, but I want to say once a month I come in, I let her take it completely off. She cleans the scalp of it. She washes my hair and conditions my scalp, and we place it back on, and it's like another fresh dew. But just like on your own hair, it will shed, but not as much. And this is placed on a lace, I'm sorry, not a lace, it's on silk. So my hair and my scalp is breathing. Whatever hair that I do have, it comes back. It's not to the point where the hair, whatever is going to grow, it's not to the point that it's mashed down to stunt the growth. She monitors the way my hair grows, and if we're not pleased with it, I request that she shaves it off in order to get the better fit for me. But you don't have to do that. She can braid your hair down, and she can place this over the hair that you have. But whatever it takes, she'll make it happen for you. You don't have to worry about if you're sitting in a salon with other clients. She will put you behind one of these wonderful walls, and you have your own private area. So that's not an issue for you. So you come on down to Smiley's Hair Clinic, you'll be amazed about how well